For this face pull, you want to anchor resistance band about shoulder height, and then from there, you're going to hold onto the band with both hands. You're going to pull with your hands up towards your ears. So pull back. See how my arms are in this position right here? I'm not down here and I'm not too high up. My shoulder itself is about 90 degrees abducted, and then my arm should be pulling right about towards my ears. Again, so I'm in this position. I'm bringing my hands towards my ears while squeezing the shoulder blades back. And I come back forward. You should really be feeling this exercise on the back of the shoulders. For this exercise, you want to anchor the band about shoulder height, and then from here, you're going to do face pulls. What you want to focus on is bringing the hands up towards your head and coming back. You're going to move a little bit quicker than you're used to with some of the other exercises. I want to induce a little bit of a velocity-based movement, so you're moving a little quicker here. You should feel a burn in the back of the shoulder as well as the shoulder blades for this exercise.